There's John Ward from Header Front Repairs in Swan Hill. Here's an example of a badly bent John Deere front, which came from down southern Victoria at Lismore, and you can see it's hit a pretty severe stump and damaged the backboard. It's damaged the deck for the belt. So we'll have this in the shop in the next few days and replace cutter bar and new parts for the back and the deck. It's totally retrievable, and so it'll be back working for the owners next year at the next harvest. If we get this through in the next couple of weeks, it'll be picked up and be ready for the northern harvest, which will be starting in Queensland in probably August. Big harvesting company, these people, big operators. Yeah, this is just an example of the John Deere fronts that come in here, and we're certain that our experience will bring this out looking as though it hasn't been bent. Yeah, if you've got a bent front, call me at Header Front Repairs at 0418 525 942.